Welcome, in front of me I have Honor Band 5 and I'm gonna show you how to hard reset this device by using the settings. First, we need to wake up the screen on our band. To do it, tap on the touch sensitive area right here at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to scroll through the menu. Keep scrolling until you find more. Then tap on it to enter. Now scroll down, tap on the system, and here tap on reset. Then scroll down and tap the check mark to confirm. And now we need to wait until the process is complete. And at this point the hard reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.